chest. Let's open it. What?
Whoa.
Wow. So big. Why that's so big? Let's open it.
Yes.
So, let's open these fly bags.
I have purple.
What is this for? There's an iPad. There's an iPad.
Yeah.
Let's open and see what color you have. Oh, yeah, this putty. Let's see what color it is. Wow,
Golden.
golden. We have the gold color. Maybe we should use this to break it out. How about let's try to...
No.
How about let's use some water to try if it will like, break.
Yeah.
Try.
Still not good.
Maybe it will break.
Yeah.
There's a giant. What's this yellow thing? Wait, it's actually gold. And this hole.
I know. We just need this.
How about let's pour some more water in? Maybe we could get it out.
It's a golden thing.
Yeah, it's a golden thing.
I think it's people. I think it's Ryan, right?
Maybe. Take this in. No.
Yeah.
Let's get this out. Yay, got it. It's
Pirate Ryan.
Ryan. Pirate Ryan.
Yeah.
Let's just watch this first. So these are the things we have from the treasure chest. Bye! Thank you for watching.